Now I've been down to the supermarket and usually they sell them in a box, and I'll look for the biggest cucumber they have, which is this one here. Now I'm going to compare it with the cucumber that I've been growing. Right, it's time to harvest some of these cucumbers. Right, let's cut one for a salad. Yeah, let's cut this bottom one. This one. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, one on the floor, 5, 6, 7, 7. Lovely. Right, let's cut another one.
You can't really see the size of it.
Go back a bit.
Take that out of my hand. Get your hand out, right? Oh, I see it now.
Gosh, size of that. It's huge, isn't it? Huh? I've been experimenting on a few plants in the garden this year, how to grow quality rather than quantity and to get them even bigger. Now I've done a couple of videos regarding cucumbers and tomatoes, and I put them on the YouTube, and I grew one of them into a giant size. But unexpectedly I went into the garden a couple of days ago and I found this cucumber which I've been experimenting on, and the plant almost died on me, so I saved the plant and I thought I'll experiment on this as well, and gave it a various different type of fertilizers, and to my surprise it's huge, giant. Now let's compare it again to the here we are, supermarket standard size cucumber which you buy in a shop, and this is the one that is going to break my previous record of growing a cucumber. Here it is. Compare this size of it. Now if I put my arm there, as you can see, it's just bigger than my right, let's measure it. This one's 11 inches. Just over 16.5 inches long. Let's have a look at the curve. Nine inches. Compared to 6 inches. Right, let's see what the weight is. Zero 0.34. 1.23 hour. That is a huge cucumber, that. Right, the next one is the tomato. That's an ordinary beef tomato. Consider size. That's a red giant tomato. And this is a beef tomato that I've been experimenting on as well. Look at the size of that. I damaged that while I was just cutting it. There's no cracks or nothing on it. Size of them. Right, let's weigh them as well. .170. The red giant 0.265, and the one I've been experimenting on 0.485. And it's almost 4.5 inches across.